I left this unit up here to try to show you guys, just for diagnosing, just looking at this unit right away, there's like tons of rust in the drain pan. The fan assembly is kind of rusty. These adapters that they put on the older units, just not good for moving air. You've got a square to round, hitting right at the top of this diffuser box, just not really good at moving air. If you see one of these white units in your boat, 9 times out of 10, it's at least 20 years old and you're probably looking at a replacement. This one is made by Marine Air Systems, and the Cruise Air product is almost the exact identical unit. And then we've got, let me show you the after. So we put in a Maybrew Power Systems unit. Really nice, clean install. And as you can see right there, that's an MSI diverter. And that's got baffles where you see those little notches where you can adjust a certain amount of air from one side to the other, just where those 7 dimples are. So really nice, clean job wiring up the electric box. It's just sitting here running great. But as you can see, going from that wide, moving air round to round, and then air travels in a cylindrical motion, it just works much better than this type of system. Let's go down companionway. So there's the control panel, just easy to display. First time you hit the button, it just illuminates the screen. Second time you can make command, adjust the temperature up and down. It's on the snowflake mode there, so it's in cooling mode. As you hit the mode, it'll just prompt you through heat, humidity control, and so forth. The unit does also come with a remote control, works good. And we've got a full-size instruction manual here for the client. Anyway, this is another good install by Boat AC. April 5th. If you need us, give us a call at 484-885-6614 or go onto our website, which is boatac.net. Have a good day.